Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for all things tech. Today, we have a crucial accessory for all you MacBook Air users out there, the EPOWIND45W MacBook Air Charger. We know how important it is to keep your MacBook charged and ready to go, and that's why we're excited to introduce this handy charger. But before we dive in, remember to hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell so you never miss out on our tech reviews. Let's kick things off with one of the standout features of this charger, the magnetic DC connector. It's a game changer, folks. This magnetic design makes it super easy to disconnect the cord harmlessly if someone happens to trip over it. Plus, it helps prevent cable fraying and weakening over time. Your MacBook Air stays safe and sound. Now, let's talk about the technical specs. This charger has an input voltage range of AC 100 to 240 volts at 50 to 60 Hz, and the output is 14.85 volts at 3.05 A, providing a total of 45 W. But remember, knowing your specific Mac model is crucial to ensure compatibility. When it comes to security, you're in good hands. The EPOWIND MacBook Air Charger is manufactured with high-quality materials and includes multiple smart features. It safeguards against overcurrent, overvoltage, overload, and even short-circuit protection. Plus, it's CE certified, so you can rest easy knowing your MacBook is in safe hands. Now, let's get into compatibility. This charger is fully compatible with a range of MacBook Air models, including those from 2012, 2013, 2014, 2015, and even 2017. Just make sure you're using the right charger for your specific Mac model. Here's a pro tip. Never use the charger with the wrong Mac model. It's crucial to double-check your MacBook specifications before purchasing any charger to avoid any compatibility issues. Now, let's dive into the technical details. This EPOWIND MacBook Air Charger has an input voltage range of AC 100-240 volts, 1.5 A, and 50 to 60 Hz. The output is District of Columbia 14.85 volts at 3.05 A, providing a maximum power output of 45 W. What's great is that it's not only efficient but also convenient. This charger is small and lightweight, making it easy to carry around with your MacBook. Charging safety is paramount, and this charger has you covered. It offers protection against overcurrent, overvoltage, overload, and short circuits. Your MacBook's safety is a top priority. And for that added convenience, there's an LED indicator. When your MacBook is charging, you'll see an amber light, and when it's fully charged, a green light lets you know. It's a small feature but one that can make your life a whole lot easier. To sum it up, the EPOWIND45W MacBook Air Charger is your reliable companion to keep your MacBook powered up and ready to take on the day. It's efficient, safe, and compatible with a range of MacBook Air models. If you found this review helpful, give us a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more tech reviews and insights. Thanks for joining us today, and until next time, stay charged and tech savvy.